This is really a slow, ongoing implosion for these two companies, right? I mean, every single day seems we have a new headline. Which one do you want to start with?
Well, we can kick off with Huarong. I think here we're seeing the first real signals about what a potential restructuring or reorganization will look like. They're said to be transferring its stake in Ant and also separately away from that, also potentially planning this debt-to-equity swap for one of its trust units, restructuring another unit. So we're starting to see kind of this move towards returning to its core business and potentially kind of alternatives as to how it's going to rustle up funds and shore up investor confidence.
Okay, so let's turn to Evergrande, another cut.
Yes, another ratings cut for Evergrande. I think this one slightly within expectations. Evergrande clearly is dealing with a lot of trouble with its debts at the moment. The other thing that we're seeing with Evergrande is more of these reports emerging about suppliers or creditors kind of worried that they won't be reimbursed for what they're owed and, you know, trying to put forward potential asset freezes for Evergrande. And that's something we've seen really emerge more over the last few weeks.
I guess a key question has always been investors' minds whether this could lead to contagion, right? Whether it's Huarong, whether it's Evergrande, and we continue to really keep an eye on whether Beijing will step in at some point. What are we seeing?
Absolutely. I think that's the really key question here. And when it comes to Evergrande, we had another media report out saying that actually Beijing is considering its issues aren't as systemic, but more as a liquidity situation, which may indicate that perhaps Beijing isn't considering it's important enough yet to step in. However, that absolutely is the key question here. We have seen some contagion through China high yield in the offshore space, particularly yields going into double digits and a lot of weaker property firms selling off. However, you know, there is also an opportunity here for investors. Yesterday, we saw a little bit more buying. Things were stronger. So for some investors will see this sell-off as a kind of opportunity to buy credits at a cheaper cost right now.